guys, you're highly welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching. If today's your first time of seeing this video on YouTube, hello, my name is Becky. You're highly welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Happy Sunday guys. I hope you have a lovely Sunday guys. Let me know how do you spend your Sundays, stroke bank holidays. There's a bank holiday here in Ireland. I want to know how do you spend it. So guys, in today's video you can see the background. You can see my background. Today we are going to be making Gizzard Dodo. Okay, today's Sunday. I just feel like have my traditional food. As you can see my outfit, every Sunday I love dress traditional. So guys, so I feel like having Gizzard Dodo, then I will be pleased to share with you guys. So today we're going to have a Gizzard Dodo. So guys, I would like to bring you across here so we can work together, and I hope you're going to enjoy it. I know Gizzard Dodo is very popular on YouTube. Anyway, there's 1,000 of native food. Everybody loves to cook their native food, right? So guys, let's go straight to Africa Gizzard Dodo. So guys, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, the notification bell, and click like, lovely comments. I want to know what you guys are gonna think about this Gizzard Dodo, and let me know what you think by leaving the comment below. Okay guys, so let's go straight away. This is turkey gizzard. Okay guys, you might be wondering, I always like to prepare it overnight. So what you are looking here, what you are seeing here is no Maggi, okay, with salt. So you will know the type of salt with a table salt. Okay, so this is what I'm going to be using for the Gizzard Dodo. So I'm going to be using red pepper, I'm going to be using yellow and the red one, and it's organic, and I'm going to be using scallop bonnet, which call atarodo in Yoruba, and onions. Okay, and this is my plantain, and this is my tomato. Okay, so we're going to wash all of them together, including the tomato, organic tomato, and the plantain, scotch bonnet, onions, and the no killed, and the pepper, yellow and red. You may exclude this, okay, or you can include it, either of the two, but I'm going to blend all of them together. So guys, you are going to be washing everything you are going to be using. Sorry guys, I'm using one hand to record, so I'm going to remove all the seed. There's always a seed inside, so I'm going to remove the seed and I'm going to wash it thoroughly. Okay guys, so this is the seed, so you don't need this seed, you have to exclude it. So I'm going to be removing the tomato seed. Guys, I'm using one hand holding my camera, so then I'm using one hand to record. So I'm going to be removing this seed, so we only need this. So guys, I'm going to be add a onion. This onion is the used one. So what I do with the used one, I normally put them in the freezer, so whenever I wanted to blend fresh pepper, I will just mix it with them. So if you have any used onion, just put them in the freezer, keep it in the freezer. Whenever you want to cook or you want to blend any pepper, you just add them together. So guys, that is all the pepper, the one I'm going to blend. So we are going to blend them together. I've already had water, like 4 tablespoons of the water, because I love my pepper to be very thick. To boil the pepper for 30 minutes. So we're going to leave it for 30 minutes. So we're going to be right back. So as you can see, at the same time I'm cooking the Gizzard Dodo. At the same time I'm cooking my gizzard. As you can see guys, the gizzard is ready. Okay, you bring the gizzard roughly 30 or 20 minutes, it depends. So it's ready now after 30 minutes, to be honest. So is ready to go. I'm going to put this in the oven for another 20 minutes to just help me to give it like a brownish or golden color. Okay, you can as well fry your gizzard dodo. I don't like too much fry, I prefer grill it. Okay, so guys, as you can see, the gizzard is ready. So you can as well do the same thing, because gizzard is supposed to be a little bit this sized, because it's this is turkey gizzard, so I couldn't find the other one, so this is what I found. Here's the next step. We are going to be we have to add the vegetable oil. Okay, so we are going to be fry the plantain. I think that's enough. So I'm going to remove the skin. We all know how to remove the skin of plantain. So I'm going to be doing the rest like that, because if I started showing everything, my video will be more than 1 hour and people will get bored. So I'm going to dice it this way. So it's gonna be very easy when you dice it this way. So plantains, guys, I'm going to be adding some salt, just a little bit to give it a taste. You might just excuse this. Okay, so I'm going to be dropping it now. I'm using my hand because it's more convenient, because I'm using one hand to record and I will swear using the second hand to drop a little bit that I need for this. So we fry it. So guys, as you can see, very easy to make it. So I'm doing the last, this is the last one. So guys, you can use the oil, the one that we've already used to fry the plantain. I'm going to reuse it, so that is why I'm going to be, you can do the same thing, or you can use fresh vegetable oil. So I'm going to be putting this here to the olive. So guys, the steam is coming up here, so I'm just trying to avoid the steam. The next thing you remember, guys, the stock from the gizzard, so you add that with it. You don't need to add water. I'm not going to add water. So you mix them together. I hope you guys, you get everything. If you don't, send me an email, I'm going to reply to you, or watch the video again and you're gonna get it. So guys, the next thing we're going to be adding the gizzards. So we bring them to boil together, and the last thing is to add the dodo. So we're going to mix this together, guys. You can add water if you want. I just don't want water. Not a little bit sick. Now the stain for my camera. So you taste before you can put salt, or I'm going to taste it now, guys. So I think I need a little bit of salt, tiny bit of salt, and you don't need the Maggi, okay, because the plantain is sweet already. So you need to cover this for another 5 minutes, and you load the electric cooker. Maybe you can put it to number 2 and just let it steam together, and yummy. So guys, we are going to remove the lid and we leave it for another 1 minute to generate tiny bit oil. Okay, leave it for another 2 minutes without covering it. Okay, as you can see, my gizzard sauce or stew is ready. So the next step now, we are going to be add our plantain. So the Gizzard Dodo is done then. So we're going to be adding this step by step. Sorry, the kids, they are 12 and it's weekend, they are playing. So you just have to mix them together, and that is how we make Gizzard Dodo. This thing is just boiling this. So guys, you mix it thoroughly. That's what I'm going to be doing, and just leave it for another 2 minutes, and that's it. The Gizzard Dodo is done and it's ready. Guys, this is the Gizzard Dodo, so it's ready to go. If you are new to our channel, please guys don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button guys, and this is how it looks. And I've already dished one here, and this is for me and Esther, and this is how it looks. That's Gizzard Dodo guys. Yummy. So I will leave you with this one. So guys, thank you so much guys for watching, and bye for now guys.